Time to take a look at LiveTiles. When you pin an application to the Start page by using Pin to Start, by default, Windows Phone uses the static PNG files that are included in your solution as the tile's image. On Windows Phone 7, there's only one tile style, which is commonly referred to as the flip tile. By default, Windows Phone 8 uses the template flip style, which matches what's used on Windows Phone 7. On Windows Phone 8, you must supply at least 2 images for small and medium. And there are 3 choices to use for the style of your tile: flip, iconic, and cycle. Flip works just like Windows Phone 7. For an iconic tile, you use the Iconic Tile Data API to supply a custom image. If you choose to use the Cycle Tile feature, you must supply a set of from 1 to 9 images which will cycle through just like the built-in Pictures app. You can update the title, the background image, and the count properties of all 3 tile styles using the Shell Title API. For Tweet Monitor, we're going to use the default flip tile behavior. Now the count for this can only be from 0 to 99, which is why in Tweet Monitor we didn't use the count badge, because we wanted to show the full number of tweets, not just the most recent tweets. So let's take a look at how you use a flip tile both statically and programmatically. First we'll open up our code, and we'll come down here once we've got the string downloaded, and we'll add a little code here that says get the tile and do some updating. However, you can see we need to include another using. We need using Microsoft.phone.shell. And now when the tweets are in, we can actually set the title of your live tile to the user's Twitter name. We saw that when we saw the demo of the application. It had my Twitter handle or the lynda.com Twitter handle on the back. So let's go ahead and run this. Make sure this works for us. We'll do an update. We'll come back to here, pin it to the start, and in a minute when this flips over, it'll be the default color, but it'll have our Twitter handle on the bottom. And there we go. Now, here in this code, we could have accessed any of the things that are inside standard tile data, such as count, title, background image, background content, background image, and so forth. All right, almost done with Tweet Monitor. The next thing and the final thing we have to do is to add our background agent, which will allow us to do some background processing even when our app isn't running to update the tweet count.